If you've recently lost weight and you are experiencing increased hair shedding, here are 3 reasons why. Number 1, you have likely changed your diet and perhaps even your calories, which can lead to nutrient gaps that play a role in our hair growth cycle. Key nutrients like zinc, which you can see here, as well as vitamins B, D, and even minerals like selenium, all play a role in our hair health and the hair growth cycle. Number 2, this is likely temporary, especially if you have lost a significant amount of weight in a short period of time. Hair thinning generally is not a result of weight loss, but rather how quickly you lost the weight. When we are losing weight in this manner, this can act like a form of stress on the body. And as we know, stress can directly and indirectly impact our hair growth cycle. Number 3, supplements can help to supplement an already healthy diet and lifestyle. Nutrafol's Hair Growth Nutraceuticals take a whole body approach to hair health. Our physician-formulated formulas contain over 20 vitamins, minerals, and natural ingredients to multi-target the key root causes of hair thinning. Wherever you are on your journey, remember that consistency is key, slow and steady wins the race, and we are here to provide information and resources to help support you.